Imagine an army of 600,000 soldiers, the greatest force in Europe, marching into a Russian winter. Why did they vanish almost completely? Let's uncover the brutal reality. In summer 1812, Napoleon Bonaparte led the Grande Armee, a massive coalition force of over 600,000 men from many different nations, deep into Russian territory, hoping for a quick victory. Campaign turned disastrous when the army spent a month trapped in Moscow, which was then abandoned and burning by the Russians, forcing Napoleon to retreat westward under impossible conditions. The enemy wasn't just the cold, constant harassment by Cossacks and Russian partisans, combined with a total collapse of supplies, created a perfect storm of starvation and disease. A frigid morning in December 1812, the remnants staggered across the Berezina River, their uniforms in tatters, having lost most of their numbers and their dreams of conquest. This catastrophic retreat marked a definitive turning point in the Napoleonic Wars, dooming Bonaparte to defeat by the Sixth Coalition and ending his era of unchecked expansion. By the time survivors finally staggered back across the Neman River in December, the hidden killer, the Russian winter, had already destroyed the Grand Army as a fighting force. The combination of strategy and nature proved too much for even the greatest emperors. What do you think was the single biggest factor in Napoleon's failure? Let us know in the comments.